Hello. Now I will show how to change this compressor motor. Bigger or freezer also same. Also same how to change. In first I will open the relay and overload here. Okay. Second I will open the gas or open the nut. But I open nut first. Saya akan buka ini atau dia punya gas tapi biasa saya buka ini dulu. Saya takut nanti minyak tuang. Jika ada apa sangkut, adjust dulu. In first, I open overload and relay already. Now I open betul. See, typical to open sangat susah buka dalam. Maybe I do this. See that? So not easy. If I cannot, I do like it. Đang senang lah. Get it out. Okay. Now I open this gas. I need to open gas. Already come off gas, so I adjust it. Already knows out. That means his gas already come out. Okay. Need to open it. Copper cutter lah. Saya sudah buka kaki, lepas gas. Jadi sekarang saya mau buka lah. Pakai copper cutter, sama buka dulu lah. So all copper already cut out. And get out this motor. Can see it. Okay. I got oil. So I just take up. Okay. Must be careful. Got compressor oil. Now I will use this compressor. Okay, I need to overload relay. Overload. See, inside got free overload and relay. Just wait. Okay. If I need to test, I just open it. See, got sound. Got sound. That means he no leaking. Condition okay. Scan. I use this. Left connect with overload. Neutral connect with relay. Just to test it. See? Come out. Okay. Okay. That means this motor okay. Function okay. So I need to put inside. Before that, so I am just making this first because this motor he here no two copper. If got, I can connect. If I am now, I just connect these two. How to connect? Okay. If you ask me, I will just I use the copper. I use this copper piping. I just cut some. Some copper, okay. This copper I see can put inside. If cannot, okay, I just adjust. How about now? I use this fading tool. Make it big. Okay, I think can. So look two side also need. Buat tempat pun kena kasih besar sebab kena wedding. Just put inside. Okay. And this. I'm just adjust. But must be careful. Saya kena adjust sikit. Tapi kena hati-hati. Takut dia kemek. Habis. Okay. Can see lah. Oh, I don't know. Okay, I'm just let you see and do this. I think too hot. Am I like that? So I need to wedding. How? Use this. I will show how to wait like this lah. Some people put this floor protect copper. Okay. Yeah. Okay, already. Okay. Why this? Now I use this glue loop. Because copper, this is not copper, so I use this. If copper and copper, I use this like that. Okay. So I need to check. Let's see. Okay. Here, so I think it's clean. think it's okay. Now if I want to confirm, I need to use like, but I now don't have. Jika saya nak confirm dia tak ada leaking, saya kena guna lampu tengok. Dipasang baru tahu lah. Okay lah. Okay lah. So I put this. Oh, I need to put this. This. One, two, three, four. But must be careful. This oil cannot. Careful oil. Kena hati-hati minyak oh, jangan jatuh. One, two, three, four. Yeah, put inside. Very good. Now I just put inside. I do use screw it, pakai screw lah, ikat balik kaki ya, sini. If not same lah, you also can adjust or use cable tie. Jika lain lah, tempat lain lah, you pun boleh sendiri adjust. Ikat screw, buat screw baru, pakai itu pisau yang screw lah, potong lah. Atau buat satu lubang semula, atau pakai cable tie. Tapi semasa angkat kena hati-hati lah. Tapi selalu tahu. Tak payah risau lah sebab dia takkan bergelap lah. Okay, I'm using one screw. Don't know in where. One piece. My dilator by it. So I put this. Like this. Okay. supaya kita sangat ada ketat sikit sulah, kita tak lali sulah. Kaki, okay. Just now I remember this small go to small. Just I need to adjust by so it can see that, but better I don't touch. If I don't touch, scale got problem. Okay. Now this copper pipe is hard, difficult. But I also need to adjust it. Adjust. Okay. Cannot. I cannot. I can do delay and overload because we are waiting and I scale fire too big. And this, you can see, and this. I need to take out this because if I don't take out, it's very dangerous. Like this one. And this. I need to waiting. Okay, I'll just get some water here. This is copper, and you use this. also need to check. Remember, this must check. Be careful. Okay, this okay, because copper with copper more easy. Copper lengan, copper sangat senang. Kalau copper lengan besi susah sikit. Takut. Rasa okay, already finished. Now I need to do last step. Okay, this one put inside. Ni mesti ambil keluar sebab takut nanti meletup tak ada angin lah, sebab you waiting dalam, kena ambil keluar lah. Sekarang kena letak balik. Okay. Now I am using gas meter. You see gas meter and hose. Just see inside. R22 punya kepala. Ini R22 punya kepala. Kecil ni. Ya. Ini kenapa tak masuk? Now I need to using vacuum pump. See vacuum pump. Using vacuum pump. Okay. This also useless. Must confirm lah. Make sure all okay. Kena pasti semua ketat. Ini 4 kepala ketat. Tanggal tu tak ada masalah. Sebab mau hisap dalam dia angin, mesti kena step ini ya. Kalau tak ada step ini, susah lah. Jadi ada masalah pun susah. Tengok meter sekarang kat mana? Kosong. Saya nampak kosong. Jadi saya buka vacuum pump. Dia akan turun. He will drop. See. He will drop. Let it start running 5 minutes until 10 minutes. break trigger or freezer, let it run until more time also good. Now I will install. Okay. This vacuum. See, kena vacuum lah. Okay. Kena pasang balik sekarang. Overload live. Delay meter. Pasang dulu. This one. That's all. Okay. Now we're waiting. Okay. Sampai ini minus 30 masuknya dia dalam sebuah tadang ini. Ya. Semua pasti ketat. Okay. Kalau sudah lepas vacuum, saya bayar sudah letak. Oke, ini tengok overload dan delay. Oke, semua sudah komplit. Jadi saya tutup dia, masuk case sudah oke. Masuk case biasa 5 psi sampai 10 psi lah. Sudah nanti buka, oke, masuk dulu, nanti buka, masuk sampai 5 psi. Sudah oke, sudah akan sejuk. Macam ni lah. Oke, saya tutup. Saya tutup. Tutup ini vacuum pump. Tengok dia akan naik ke? Kalau dia tak akan naik, okey lah. Takut lah ada leaking. Susah cakap ni. Terus sekarang kita test tol. 134 gas. Yes, sudah oke lah. Saya kena lepas yang ini. Kalau saya sudah masuk, oke lah, boleh buka. Macam ini sudah oke. Masuk sedikit dulu. Sudah ada pressure. Ya, sudah ada pressure. Oke. Saya tengok. Ini ada leaking ke? Tidak. Oke, bagus. Ini ada leaking ke? Oke, tidak. Oke. Ini ada leaking ke? Tidak juga. Ini ada leaking ke? Tak ada juga. Oke, semua oke. Ini oke. Ini oke. Ini pun oke. Semua oke. Jika semua oke. Oke, macam ni boleh lah. Ya. Saya takut leaking tapi dia tak leaking, oke lah. I'm so scared if you're leaking gas. But you know leaking gas. Okay. So I just open compressor. The main is okay. And beer already running. Okay. You know why I changed this compressor? Because it trip tentang. Kita tahu kenapa saya tukar? Sebab dia tentang. Dia buka terus rumah tentang. Dia sudah high M. Sekarang okay lah. M okay lah. Sebab dia mula-mula dia jalan. Dululah dia jalan. Dia terus sampai 5M, 6M, 7M, 10M terus tentang. Masuk speakers. Tapi ini jalan dulu lah. Jadi kalau you pegang tension atau memang tak mahir lah, cadangan saya you cari tension juga. Kalau you tension, okay lah, boleh tukar lah. Tapi ini pun cok bahaya sikit lah. Sebab kalau tak berhati-hati mungkin akan meletup. Kalau you waiting tak baik lah, atau leaking case, lagi baca case atau punya masalah. Okay lah, I think it's okay lah. I think it's okay, but I need waiting some more time lah, because I don't know it's well cool or not. So, yes. I think it will cool lah, but need time lah. Dia akan sejuk tapi kena masa. Tapi saya kena testing dulu, tunggu dia tengoklah tunggu dia dalam hisap gas jalan dulu. Tengok berapa jam akan sejuk. Kalau tak cukup saya tambah lagi lah. Kalau terlalu sejuk saya lepas kira macam ni. Tapi saya rasa sekarang kurang sikit lah. Macam ni okey lah. Kena tunggu lah. Okey, terima kasih untuk tengok Kalau sudah test ada sejuk. Okey. Macam ni sudah okey lah. Kalau test sudah ada sejuk. Semua pasang balik. Okey lah. Kalau dia jalan tak ada masalah, okey lah. Kalau you risau ada leaking, you boleh guna sabun, letak sabun, tengok ada leaking ke. Macam ni tengok. Terima kasih lah tengok saya punya itu video. Dan kalau boleh tolong follow saya lah. Saya akan upload banyak ajaran lah. Okey, terima kasih ya. Kalau pakai rumah punya peti ais pun sama cara. Peti ais semua sama cara untuk tukar motor ni. All trigger also same the way for change motor, compressor motor. All trigger same. Okay, thank you Okay, good.